This summer, I plan to sell sugarcane juice to earn extra income for my family. Due to low economic situation, I was looking to buy a used car at a cheap price, 1 million Vietnamese dongs. The car still looks pretty new. Just clean it, add some grease. It works fine.
Không mạnh. Rồi phía 7 bây giờ. Để con đợi mà. Bây giờ phải đặt mua. Mảng cái xe đấy. Xong rồi thằng bạn cũ nó bảo mày sửa.
Because I don't have experience, at first I only imported a little and learned more from the previous seller's experience so I wouldn't lose money. And this is my little sugarcane juice cart. It will travel with me for the rest of this summer and the next few seasons. This road is quite crowded and crowded with passers-by during off hours. I hope everyone will love and support my small sugarcane juice shop to have a happy and bountiful summer. Thanks to my family.